Hey there, folks. My name is Dr. Ryan Longnecker, and I am the program leader for Tribeca's online EDD in Leadership and Professional Practice. And today, I want to demonstrate one of the absolute crucial tools that I use in instruction with my students. It is the single piece that has completely revolutionized how I teach, how I give feedback, how I communicate. Literally every part of what I do with and for my students has been impacted by a product called Loom. Loom is one of those companies that has made a critical mistake in that, that whole piece of if you're really good at something, don't do it for free. Loom is completely free. A Loom Pro account with unlimited storage, 4K recording is completely free for educators for life. So let's go into one of my classes and I'll show you how I use it, right? You can see here loom.com, and right there on the front page, like I told you, get Loom for free for education. The beautiful part about Loom is just how easy it makes the entire process and how easy they have made it to use across a plethora of different devices. There are native apps for Mac, for Windows, for your iPhone. There are plugins for various browsers. So they really have just gone above and beyond just making it easy for you to put this into play. So once you've signed in, this is what it's going to look like. You can see here you've got your videos, and all of the videos that I have created here are all recorded here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and just say if I was in my general Blackboard page, and on my screen you can see I've actually got two ways that I could record. I have the Loom for Chrome plugin already put into my system here. So all I have to do is record that, click start recording. And the beautiful part about Loom is, as you can see here, you've got my face down there, and then you've got my screen as well. What I'm going to show you is the desktop app. So I call everything up. I've got my webcam, I've got my screen, and I just click start recording. It's going to give me a countdown. And now at this point, Loom is recording everything on my screen along with my video down here. Over to the side, I've also got a pen that I can write with. I can actually type on things, and then once I'm done, so imagine you've got a student's paper in front of you and you're red marking it as you go. You've got track changes on and you're kind of showing them your thought process, what you're doing. So not only do they see the fixed document at the end, but they hear you talking it through. It's like a one-on-one coaching session. The cool part about it is if you think about any other screencasting software, those things, it's the time, it's the delay. The beauty of Loom is the minute I press this button right here, I am immediately taken to the web page of my video, and this link has already been copied onto my clipboard. So all I come over here is I can do Control V. It's there, and I go. So whatever student management system you're using, whatever program you're using, Google Classroom, Edutopia, whatever it is, you can immediately just Control V. The link is there, and the student can watch it immediately. Just the sheer amount of time that this saves. And if you think about how much can you type in 2 minutes and how much feedback can you talk in 5 minutes, whatever that looks like. But it's that personal touch. It's seeing your face. It's hearing your voice, hearing that inflection. This piece it's just revolutionary of what it can do. So I really, really hope you'll check it out. So again, folks, that's Loom, and I hope that you can see as we move into this idea of 21st century education, this isn't just a piece for remote instruction. This is something that can revolutionize how you communicate with your stakeholders, those weekly newsletters, emails home, feedback on assignments, all of those pieces, that personal touch and in-depth feedback. I'd really, really hope that you'll explore using Loom, and if you've got any questions, feel free to send them my way. Have a good one.